Good morning, dear student. Today we will start revision of chapter noun case. Okay. So what is case? Case is that property of noun and pronoun that gives the information about the role it plays in a sentence. It means noun जो केस है वो एक सेंटेंस में नाउन की पोजीशन को बताता है. ओके, देयर आर 4 टाइप्स ऑफ नाउन केस. फर्स्ट इज नॉमिनेटिव एंड सब्जेक्टिव केस एंड सेकंड इज ऑब्जेक्टिव केस एंड देयर आर 2 types of objective case, dative case and accusative case, and third is possessive case and fourth is vocative case. Okay, one more important thing is जो noun है वो एक sentence में 2 types से work करता है. Okay, first complement of the verb and second case in opposition to a noun. Okay, so noun case जो है वो 4 types है. First we will discuss nominative case. Okay, so what is nominative and subjective case? Nominative case when a noun is used as the subject of a verb, it is nominative case. It means जो नाउन है वो वर्ब के सब्जेक्ट के रूप में वर्क करता है. जो नाउन है वो एक सेंटेंस में वर्ब के सब्जेक्ट के रूप में जब काम करता है तो वो कौन सा केस होता है? नॉमिनेटिव केस होता है. ओके, लेट्स सी द एग्जांपल. फर्स्ट, नव्या एट आइसक्रीम. Okay, so in this sentence Navya is the subject of the verb at. Okay, so in this sentence Navya is the subject of the verb at and in this sentence Navya is a nominative case. And second example, the question is wrong. Okay, so in this sentence question is the subject of the verb is. Okay, so in both sentence first sentence Navya is nominative case and in other sentence question is nominative case. Okay, and one more important thing, to find out the subject of a verb we put who or what. ओके, अगर हमें किसी सेंटेंस में सब्जेक्ट के बारे में पता लगाना है तो वी विल आस्क क्वेश्चन विथ हु एंड व्हाट. ओके, for example, who ate ice cream? Answer is Navya. So Navya is a subject. Okay, and other, the question is wrong. Okay, so if we will ask with what is wrong? Answer is question. Okay, so question is a subject of is the sentence. Okay, so in sentence to find out the subject we use who and what. ओके, हु और वॉट से हम किसी भी सेंटेंस में सब्जेक्ट का पता लगा सकते हैं. ओके, सो दिस इज अ नॉमिनेटिव केस. Second is objective case. What is objective case? When a noun is used as the object of a verb, it is objective case. It means in a sentence, एक जो sentence होता है उसमें जो action होती है उसको हम क्या बोलते हैं? verb. और जो verb को करता है वो क्या होता है? subject. और verb का जिस पर effect पड़ता है वो क्या होता है? object. ओके, सो इन ट्रांजिटिव वर्ब, अब ट्रांजिटिव वर्ब क्या होती है? व्हाट इज ट्रांजिटिव वर्ब? ट्रांजिटिव वर्ब इट नीड्स एंड इट रिक्वायर एन ऑब्जेक्ट टू कंप्लीट देयर मीनिंग. ओके, इट मीन्स जो ट्रांजिटिव वर्ब होती है उसको अपने मीनिंग को कंप्लीट करने के लिए किस चीज़ की रिक्वायरमेंट होती है? ऑब्जेक्ट की. ओके, सो ट्रांजिटिव वर्ब इट हैज़ 2 टाइप्स ऑफ ऑब्जेक्ट, डायरेक्ट ऑब्जेक्ट एंड इनडायरेक्ट ऑब्जेक्ट. और डायरेक्ट ऑब्जेक्ट क्या होता है? इट मीन्स डायरेक्ट ऑब्जेक्ट वी यूज फॉर direct object we use for non-living things and indirect object we use for living things. जो indirect object होता है उसी को हम dative case कहते हैं. Okay, and let's see the example of objective case. Navya ate ice cream. Okay, so ice cream is the object of the verb at. In this sentence, ice cream is the object of the verb ate, and second, father praised Karan for his sincerity. So Karan is the object of the verb praised. Okay, so in objective case we ask question what and whom to get answer. यदि हम what और whom से क्वेश्चन करते हैं और जो भी आंसर आता है वो हमारा ऑब्जेक्टिव केस होता है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, नव्या एट what, आंसर इज आइसक्रीम. सो आइसक्रीम क्या हो गया हमारा, यस, ऑब्जेक्टिव केस. एंड नेक्स्ट, फादर प्रेस्ड whom, फादर ने किसको प्रेस्ड किया, करण. सो करण इज अ objective case. Okay, so this is a objective case. Third is possessive case. Possessive case, when a noun shows possession, it is possessive case. Possessive case क्या होता है, जब एक नाउन दूसरे नाउन पर अपनी ऑनरशिप, अपने पोजीशन, अपने अधिकार को प्रकट करे, वो possessive case होता है. एग्जाम्पल, मीरा's bag is on the table. So in this sentence, मीरा is showing the ownership on bags. It means जो मीरा bag means the bag possessed by Meera or the bag belongs to Meera. Okay, in second example, the dog bit the cat's tail. It means the cat's tail means the tail belonging to the कैट. ओके, सो इन दिस सेंटेंस जो मीरा है वो बैग पे अपना पोजीशन, अपने ऑनरशिप को शो कर रही है, और यहाँ पर जो कैट है वो टेल पर अपने पोजीशन को शो कर रही है. ओके, the apostrophe used to show possession, it is called apostrophe. Okay, so in possessive case we use apostrophe with living, and with non-living we use possession plus of plus noun. Okay, so this is possessive case. Okay, possessive means किसी चीज़ पे अपनी ownership को show करना. Fourth is vocative case. Vocative case, when a noun or a pronoun is used to call or to get the attention of a person, it is called vocative case. Example, Mohan come here. So this is, Mohan is a vocative case. So students, we have learned 4 types of cases. First nominative, second objective, third possessive, and fourth is vocative case. And thank you. Have a nice day.
Name of any person, thing, place or animal is called a noun. Or we can say a noun is a part of speech that is used to name a person, place, thing, quality or action. Nouns can be in singular or plural. Nouns can be categorized as either common or proper. Common nouns name general people, places, things, and ideas, while proper nouns name specific people, places, things, and ideas. Common nouns and proper nouns. Mountain is a common noun. Himalaya is a proper noun. Country is a common noun. India is a proper noun. Boy is a common noun. Mohan is a proper noun. Woman is a common noun. Lata is a proper noun. River is a common noun. Godavari is a proper noun. Read the following words and put them in proper columns. The words in the following table are together known as noun in English. Camel, jackal, habit, happiness, water, village, grandpa, friends, farm, farmer, field, helpers, time, Radhika, stick, trick, treat, sugarcane, bear, snake, lion, cat, police, actor, cow, goat, temple, city, mountain, hill station, tree, rice, ice, air, tree, mind, sadness, people, grandpa, friends, farmer, helpers, Radhika, police, actor, animals, camel, jackal, bear, snake, lion, cat, cow, goat. Places: village, farm, field, temple, city, sea, mountain, hill station. Think we can feel: water, stick, sugarcane, tree, rice, ice, air, tea. Think we can't touch: time, trick, treat, habits, happiness, air, mind, sadness.